ACMI is the most successful museum of the moving image in the world. We celebrate all things related to the moving image. So we're a museum of film, television, video games, digital culture and visual art. Wonderland is an exhibition that celebrates the evolution of special effects in cinema through the prism of the over 40 feature film adaptations of Alice in Wonderland. We wanted to bring to life for our audiences the way that computer-generated imagery, CGI, is actually built up layer upon layer, and we decided the best way to do that would be to create a blank canvas of a Mad Hatter's Tea Party and to then projection map an entire room and slowly build up a CGI series of images to create a unique Mad Hatter Tea Party experience.
So as Senior Exhibition Technician at ACMI, I was involved in the core design team in the early stages, and then through the development of that into installation, where I supervised a team of AV specialists to install the show. Very early on we made contact with Panasonic's engineering team and presented some concept ideas to them. They then came back to us with a provided solution based on their equipment, which we then fed into the design process, and is a result what you see today. Laser light source technology is really a non-negotiable for us these days in an exhibition environment, especially for Wonderland. The Tea Party has a lot of image blending and utilising Panasonic's ultra short throw lenses, which gave us the ability to create scale in the room. So the ability to hang the gear and not have to replace lamps or go back to it for minimal servicing is really, really valuable.
So as a curator at ACMI, I often say we have the most fun job in the entire building. We work very early on with exhibition ideas, right from the minute that they've been conceived. The most exciting part of the Wonderland journey for our visitors has undoubtedly been the Mad Tea Party experience. In so many ways, it brings to life many of the key themes we were wanting to hit on. It's magical, it's curious, it's completely unexpected, and it uses technology in a way that absolutely spotlights contemporary filmmaking at its core.
You can take a piece of technology and place it in a different context to give an utterly new experience or tell a story in a new way. That's what the filmmakers do, and that's certainly what we were able to do with Grumpy Sailor and with Panasonic. We've had over 170,000 visitors come through the exhibition. People have been blown away by it. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. On the last day there was a queue running almost halfway through the exhibition to get into this experience, and it has been sort of shared everywhere on every single social platform. A really clear sense that as we designed the exhibit and as we created the experiences, that there was a real sense of playfulness, that the audience had agency, and that the more you activated that agency, the more that you could discover. That has been a significant shift for us. It's an evolution of what we've been doing before, and it signals the new direction for this organisation.